It has become a tradition that once a year I'm challenged by my friend Shariqa, hi Shariqa, known as Postal Love on Instagram, to complete a challenge she sends me using her amazing vintage supplies. I have no idea what is in this package. I'm actually quite scared to see what she came up with this time. Shall we open it together? Welcome, it's Barbara from Vienna, Austria. So Shariqa is a junk journaler herself, and she lives and travels between the Netherlands and Belgium and loves to hunt down vintage ephemera. I have actually had the pleasure on hunting down some vintage ephemera together with her and her hubby here in Vienna, so that was a lot of fun. So what you see here is her Instagram account with lots of eye candy, as you can see. But there's another Instagram account, which is her other half, Mr. Postal Love, which you can see right here. And that's the account you want to check out if you are looking for real vintage ephemera. I will link both of those accounts below for you to check out. I have personally purchased from her a few times in the past, and her ephemera is so much fun to use in journals. You will get a peek of it here in a moment. Shariqa also has a website in the meantime called postallove.eu, where she offers different monthly subscription packs with lovely vintage goodies. You can also find that link below this video in case you want to check it out. So this is the fourth time I have been challenged by Shariqa. So far I have made 2 junk journals and 50 tags. I will link those challenges below for you as well, and I have no idea what she came up with this time. So let's open this and find out what's inside. I am so super excited. Shariqa, I hope you were nice. Oh, there's 2 envelopes inside. And another letter. Oh my goodness. So this one says La Magnifique and this one says Ma Chérie, which are the 2 names of her subscription boxes. So we get to see what kind of items are included in those packages. So that's really great. Let's just check out the letter. Dear Barbara, here we are again. Yep. Starting 2023 with another fun journal challenge. Ooh, it's a journal. That's good. You already know a little about the challenge, so not that big of a surprise. I don't know anything about the challenge. So what is the challenge? Well, Armand, which is her hubby, and I curated these beautiful vintage surprise packs of paper goodies every month and offer monthly subscription packs. And you, my dear paper magician, have to create a journal using these 3 envelopes. You cannot use any other ephemera or paper to create this journal. Okay, exceptions are raw materials, paint, glue, thread, stamps, etc. and a book cover if you choose to use one. And the cover needs to be La Mère et l'Enfant booklet cover. I hope that cover is in here because I don't have that. And another thing, I believe the pastel color is dominant in these packs, so I believe you could probably make it a spring Easter themed journal. Simple, right? We'll see. A little about the monthly packs. We used to offer 3 tiers, Ma Belle, Ma Chérie, and La Magnifique. They differ in price, weight, and the type of goodies. Unfortunately, last month I stopped offering the Ma Belle pack, which is the small envelope. But Ma Chérie and La Magnifique are up on our website postallove.eu. So that's the one I showed you before. Additionally, the shipping. People can choose from tracked shipping, shipping with regular stamps, or shipping with vintage Belgium stamps. If choosing stamps from shipping, we cannot provide tracking information and do not take responsibility for lost untracked packages, but it is rare that we lose any of the stamped packs. Another note, these packs are meant for personal use only and not meant for physical or digital printable sales. The reason I created these monthly packs was to make a variety of vintage European goodies available at an affordable price to all, and it brings me such joy to curate them every month. And now, a little gift for your audience. Oh, they can use the code 49 Dragonflies and get a 10% discount for their first month subscription. And of course, they can cancel the subscription at any time. Okay, that's awesome. So obviously, I'll link her site below, as I mentioned before, and I will also add the code that you need to use for the 10% off. Before you run off to start your magical journaling, I just want to say again how much joy your videos bring to me. Your voice is so soothing, and the positive energy you bring to all of our lives is immensely appreciated. Oh, Shariqa, it was a pleasure meeting you over the summer 2022, and that day is one of my favorite days of the year. Aw, it was so much fun. Thank you again, Barbara, for being such a genuine and amazing human being and sharing your brilliance with all of us. I'm blushing right now, Shariqa. Now, let's see how long I wait to watch you create this journal and giggle and comment at your videos as if you are sitting in front of me and can hear me. With lots of love, Shariqa and Armand. Yeah, Shariqa already texted me. It's like, when are you posting the video? So, Shariqa, thank you so much for your patience. Now we need to open these. So let's see what's in this little envelope. I love this envelope already. It's like a coin envelope. Look at that. It's open on the top here. I've never seen one of those. Oh, how cute is this? Gorgeous. Going to Marseille. Love it. Oh, these are so cute. So there's a whole vintage envelope here with more ephemera. So greens are challenging for me. I'm not a huge green fan, so let's see how that goes. An adorable little coin envelope here. Zimt. Oh, that's a German one. Cinnamon. Lots of labels. They're all French. Gorgeous. Gasoline. Is that gasoline, I guess? An empty tag. Oops. Tiny label. Love that. There's more. Oh, I like these really small ones. Are those cigar labels? Maybe. Okay. It's a beautiful handwritten letter from 1913 in French. Love it. An empty receipt. Oh, this is like one of these scorecards. I put one of these in my planner recently. Maybe you saw that. Oh, I love this tag. And a photo. It's actually a postcard. Okay. So that was the smallest envelope, Ma Belle. So this small pack is the one that's discontinued. But these two, La Magnifique and Ma Chérie, are available. There's a lot in here. Wow. This is really heavy. More of these small labels. Okay. There's a large bag. I think I've had one of these before. And we have a whole bunch of these labels. I really like these. Beautiful cabinet card. I like this boy. Oh, he's so cute. Tickets. Another one of these. Ooh. Cinnamon pockets. There's something in here. Oh, look, there's a little key. And it's rusty. How cool. More tickets. Labels. Another huge cabinet card. Some packaging. Oh, that's unique. I've never seen this kind of vintage packaging. More of these tiny ones. Then we have some floral images. Very cute. Some more empty tags. More of these. So we see some of the ephemera is the same in this big envelope as it was here in the small one. Oh, there's another one of these. Empty postcard. Another one of these. Ah, these are empty. So 2 more of these. Some gorgeous lace. Oh, very delicate. Beautiful. Cigarette card. Chocolate card, I guess. Then we have a whole magazine here in French. Okay, these are empty menus. Birkenblätter, that's German. Beautiful coin envelope. Then we have a vintage magazine. Wow. November 1869. La mode illustrée. Wow. Check out these different hats. Gorgeous. How am I gonna use this? Oh no, Shariqa, this is really difficult. I tend to hoard these things, not use them. I guess this will be a good chance to actually use some of this stuff. Beautiful letter paper. Okay, so I guess these are the papers that I'm going to make the pages for the journal out of. So they're vintage receipts, invoices. Okay, so that helps a lot. There's 2 sheets of onion skin paper. There's another handwritten letter. Okay, so that was the pack La Magnifique. This is really loaded. There is so much stuff in here. So now let's check out Ma Chérie. Ma Chérie seems to be a little less chubby. So again, we have labels. We have this coin envelope. So we see a lot of the same items as in the other packs. Challenge to use round pieces, so that's a good challenge. Oh, these are so cute. We have more of these flowers. Yeah, so we know these items already. Oh, and look at this cute lace. Oh, it's gorgeous. Another one of these cute envelopes. Packaging. Cabinet card. The backs are usually gorgeous as well. And we get another magazine. Paris fashion. It's actually not a magazine, it's a sewing pattern. Okay, that's a lot of fun to use. So the big pack was the La Magnifique. The smaller pack was the Ma Chérie. These are both still available, and this smallest one is no longer available. So Shariqa said, if I choose to use a book cover, it needs to be La Mère et l'Enfant, which is the mother and the child, which is this book cover. Interesting. Thank you so much, Shariqa, for these amazing vintage goodies. And until the next video, I will figure out how to tackle this project and I will take you along. So hope to see you back here then. Love you guys. Mwah! Mwah!